When the forecast hits triple digits, your car isn't just hot, it's under serious stress. Before you hit the road in extreme heat, here's how to prep your car for a 100-degree day and keep yourself and your ride safe and cool. Let's get started. 1. Top off your coolant reservoir to the max line. Coolant expands in heat. Make sure your reservoir is filled to the max line before you leave, not halfway through your drive. 2. Disable Eco Mode for better AC performance. Eco Mode can reduce your AC's output to save fuel. Turn it off during extreme heat so your compressor runs at full power and cools the cabin faster. 3. Inspect fan belts for glazing or fraying. Belts drive your water pump and cooling fans. If one snaps, your engine overheats. Check for shiny spots or cracks and replace them if they feel brittle or noisy. 4. Check transmission fluid, not just engine oil. Heat breaks down transmission fluid fast, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Use the dipstick, if your car has one, to check level and color. It should be bright red, not brown or burnt. 5. Activate window vent mode before entering. Use your key fob or app to roll down all windows slightly before you get in. Letting trapped heat out drops cabin temps instantly, especially helpful with black interiors. 6. Spray AC intake vents with disinfectant to remove odors. Hot air intensifies, AC mildew smells. Spray disinfectant or an HVAC foam cleaner into your exterior vent grills before turning on the system. 7. Adjust tire pressure to mid-range specification. Overinflated tires expand dangerously in heat. Set your PSI closer to the middle of the manufacturer's range, not the max listed on the sidewall. 8. Turn off start. Stop technology in traffic. Engine auto-stop features can leave you roasting at red lights. Disable it temporarily so your fan and compressor stay on while waiting in traffic. 9. Check hood liner for heat insulation integrity. The pad under your hood isn't just noise control. It blocks radiant heat. If it's sagging, torn, or missing, replace or reattach it before a scorcher hits. 10th. Prep a cooling kit for the cabin. Pack a small pouch with a mini spray bottle, cooling towel, electrolyte drink mix, and battery fan. Stash it in the glove box or door pocket. You'll thank yourself later. 11th. Set your cabin filter to recirculation mode for max efficiency. When the car is hot, pull in fresh air to flush it. But once it cools, switch to recirculation mode so your system isn't fighting outdoor heat non-stop. 12th. Wipe down interior surfaces with UV protectant spray. Extreme temps accelerate fading and cracking. Wipe your dash, steering wheel, and panels with a UV spray to lock in moisture and block the burn. 13. Avoid filling the tank to the brim. Gas expands in heat, and overfilling can trigger vapor leaks or fuel smell. Stop at the first click. It's safer and easier on your evaporative system. 14. Run the AC on medium, not max, when first starting. Full blast isn't always best. Start with medium fan speed. It cools more evenly and avoids freezing up your evaporator under extreme heat. And there you have it. When it hits 100 degrees, your car needs just as much prep as you do. Follow this checklist and you'll stay cool, avoid damage, and drive with confidence, no matter how high the temps go. Be sure to check the description below for my top recommended tools and resources. If you enjoy this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you don't want to wait for my next video to come out, check out this one on the screen. Hit like if you've ever climbed into a sauna on wheels, subscribe for more car-saving hacks, and drop a comment. What's your must-do ritual before a hot day behind the wheel? Until next time, stay cool, stay smart, and keep your car summer-proof.